Okay, Karina. I did some revisions, and I hope I got this close to what we discussed on the phone. As I was putting it together, I did realize that with the new 24-inch wide, there was a really big gap on the right-hand side between the corner cabinet and the sink, and I couldn't fit any cabinet between the two. So I did decide to switch the corner cabinet out to the pull-out. So instead of this turning around, these pieces actually pull out towards you and out in front of you, so the whole tray is in front of you like this. This is kind of what they look like on the inside. Next to that is a trash pull-out. I really feel like this cabinet is not going to give you enough space for all your plumbing. So, and to have a trash underneath there also. You can see this is only 20 inches tall and not very wide, so once you get your garbage disposal and everything in there, you're not going to be able to fit much else. This is an 18-inch wide trash pull-out, and so it'll fit 2 bins, one for your trash, one for your recycling. And then to the left, I just did the 3 drawers. Again, I don't know if this is the drawer combination you like. There's so many different ones to choose from, so if you want to change these out, we should look at those options. Maybe I can send you some different pictures to see what I'm talking about. Here's one of the options. It has, when you open it, it has these 3 drawers that pull out on the inside, so you don't see it on the outside. And then again, here we have this 3 drawer with the interior drawer. So I did make this a bit wider. We're coming out farther to this, to the edge of where the door, actually this is where the door currently ends, and this is now where we would be coming out to. So just a couple inches past where it was. And then on the pantry cabinets, I think this is the one you were talking about. It doesn't have it all the way up to here, and it's not the one that's way down here. It's just the one in between. So this has the interior drawers, review, and then shelves above. And they're all like this right now. So this is the cabinet, the drawers in a different configuration. This is small, medium, large. This top one, the door face is 5 inches. The second one is 10 inches. And the last is 15 inches. Here's another one with 3 5-inch drawers, 1, 2, 3, and then a 15-inch drawer. Here's another option. This one appears to be 2 large drawers on the outside. When you open it, oh, that's all of them. When you open just this one, you have the it's kind of like a small, medium, large. This interior drawer is tucked behind, so it just looks like 2 on the outside. Here's another one with both drawers and an open cabinet. And then again, back to the 3 drawers on the front and 1 interior drawer on the top. So let me know of those options, what you would like to place in each location. That way we can get a materials order that's accurate. Okay, let me know. Thanks.